In this video, we're exploring how to swap tokens on Bitflow, a decentralized exchange built on stacks. To get started, head over to bitflow.finance, click on Wallet Manager and connect your wallet. I'll be using Lether for this walkthrough, but you can also connect with Xverse or any other Stacks compatible wallet. I'll be doing 2 swaps in this video because in the next episodes, we're going to be covering lending, borrowing, and additional yield strategies. And for that, I'll need SBTC and AEUSDC. So first, select the token you want to swap in the From field. In this case, I'll choose STX and enter the amount I want to trade. Next, in the To field, select the token you want to receive. For this first swap, I'll choose SBTC. Bitflow will automatically show the best available route for this swap. And the default slippage tolerance is 4%. That pretty much guarantees that the swap will go through, but you can manually adjust this, and I'm going to lower mine to about 2%. Then click Swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. The transaction shows as pending down here under Latest Swaps and quickly is confirmed. And now I'll do a second swap. This time in the From field, I'll select SBTC. And in the To field, I'll select AEUSDC. Again, I'll confirm the slippage tolerance, click Swap, and sign the transaction. Once each transaction confirms on-chain, your new tokens will appear in your wallet. And with that, our wallet is now loaded with STX, SBTC, and AEUSDC. And we're ready for the next video where we'll dive into lending, borrowing, and staking on Granite, Zest, and Hermetica to earn yield and unlock liquidity.